We can find three main qualities that can lead a person toward a divine state of existence according to the Dhammapada. The first one is speaking the truth. The second one is not becoming angry. The third one is giving something, even a small thing, when someone asks for help. These are truly valuable qualities. Therefore, try to practice them as much as possible in your daily life. And remember, even before leading one toward divinity, these qualities help a person become a better human being. Keep this in your mind.